Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Girl Like Me featuring H.E.R. It's by Jazmine Sullivan. You guys should check out her stuff. She's really good. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning. Put your cap on fret number 2, and we're playing the following chords. So the first chord is going to be a C, and we're plucking this. Okay, let me just show you the chords for those of you who are just beginners and you just want to strum through the song. C, and then this is a D7, right? But we're not going to be holding string number 3, so we're basically holding an E minor and hammering to the 3rd fret of the B string. So you basically have this note right here and this note, 2 notes. Okay, that's 2nd fret of the A string and 3rd fret of the B string. 0 2 0 0 3 0. Okay, so we have C, and then here we're gonna be A minor twice. Okay, so C, E minor. I don't know if I should call this an E minor or a D7. Let's just call it a D7 to A minor. C, D7, my strumming pattern is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, up, down. Okay, now if you want to play it the way it sounds on the song, you're gonna have to pluck it. Okay, so for C, we're gonna be plucking 5 3 2 1. Okay, how 5 4, and then 2 and 1 simultaneously. 5 4 simultaneous, 2 and 1. Okay, so that's, and then we go to the D7 and we play 5 3 2, and then we pluck 3 and 2 the second time. So that's 5 3 2 5 3 2 simultaneous. Okay, so C, and then we go to A minor and we play the first time it's 5 3 3 and 2 simultaneously, and then okay, you got that? 5 3 3 2 simultaneously, and then this is now 5 3 2 5 3 2 2. Okay, 5 3 2 2 with 3 simultaneously. So A minor. Okay, so the first time it's 5 3 2, and then the second time it's 5 3 2 2. But every time you pluck the 2, pluck the 3 also, so you're plucking those simultaneously. So it's that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's in the description of this video. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.